Here is the truth about buying shoes from StockX. This video is not sponsored. I'm not being paid to say this. This is just my honest opinion, my thoughts about buying shoes from StockX for so many years. Listen, I've been buying shoes on StockX for so long at this point. Since their inception, to be honest, I've been buying shoes from StockX since day one. Forever at this point, since the company has started, I continue to buy shoes from StockX. I know sometimes I do bash StockX a little bit on certain things, but however, I have to give StockX credit where credit is due. First of all, for having just about every shoe that I'm looking for. Not only that, 9 times out of 10, they are the cheapest on the market. They're one of the go-to spots to have the best price. It is what it is. Now, people talk about, oh, well, what about getting fakes? Well, I will say this. Fakes, of course, have slipped through. They will slip through StockX, GOAT, Flight Club, eBay, any place at all. It does not matter. Stadium Goods, every place has... It's happened. It happens. It happens. Listen, when you're dealing with so many pairs, it's certainly bound to happen. It just, to me personally, this is just my opinion, it's more so what the company does to make the situation correct. That's where StockX sometimes can be a little bit of a problem, because they'll tell you, hey, just sell it back on the app, and that's a no-no. That's definitely a no-no in my opinion. But other than that, I never had that problem. But other than that, you know, I would say StockX, it could be a good place. The main thing that I'm not a huge fan of, and I'm going to explain in just a moment when we take a look at this pair of shoes that I did purchase here. These are a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike. Blue Chill, Deep Royal, and Blue is the official colorway. We'll take a look at the shoe, and then we'll get back into the StockX talk. So I did pay $370. $370 for this pair right here, and 5 cents, of course. We have the tissue paper. These are the Powerpuff Girl Nike SBs. These are the bubbles, the blue pair, the bubbles pair. Very, very clean, very, very nice. You guys can see we do have the StockX authentication tag here on the shoe. I believe that when you scan this, which we're going to do in a moment, that the transaction does pop up, I believe, when you scan the back. So we'll do that in a minute. We'll take a look at that. But right here, the bubbles. The bubbles. Now, here is my big thing about StockX, and it's with, you know, GOAT too when you're buying brand new. If it's used, they don't have this problem. eBay, you don't have this problem at all. The problem with these platforms, in my opinion, is you don't get to see at all what you're purchasing until you get it in hand right now. So this is my first time obviously seeing the shoe that I did purchase, and yeah, they do look clean. Of course, they do look good as far as, yeah, these are real. I can tell right away with this shoe. These are good to go. For me, it's an easy shoe to legit check. These are good to go. The Nike SB Dunk Low Bubbles from the Powerpuff Girls collection. Let me know your favorite pair down below in the comments. Is it the pink, the blue, or the green? Now, here's the, like I was saying, guys, the thing, you don't get to see the shoe until you purchase it. eBay doesn't have that problem. StockX does. GOAT does. You know, when you don't get to see the shoe, it kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Here's what's been happening to me a lot lately that I do want to talk about, and it sucks. And StockX, I understand to an extent of them not doing anything, but sometimes it's annoying and it absolutely sucks. Here's what's been happening to me. Listen up, guys. This story, I'm sure, relates to some of you guys. If it does, let me know down below in the comments. Order cancellations. Order cancellations. It sucks when your order gets canceled, and here's why. It's been happening to me. I'm going to use the Jordan 4 Nike SB as an example. It happened to me twice on this shoe in particular, but I'm going to give you guys more examples. You guys will understand what I'm talking about with this shoe. So, the SB Jordan 4, for example. Place the order. Say you pay $550. I'm just going to throw random numbers out there. $550. Order gets canceled. Okay, order gets canceled. Well, now you go look at the shoe to go buy it now, and now it's at $650. Damn, it's another $100 that what you already spent, and the order got canceled. it sucks. It sucks. StockX, they don't do anything for it. Listen, I understand them not doing anything at the same time. If they want the returning customer, you do offer something. Something, I feel like. That's just my opinion on it. Let me know what you guys think. It's been happening to me a good amount lately with orders getting canceled. And yeah, then the price goes up. Then the price goes up, next thing you know, and it's only been a few days later, right? So within that time frame, price goes up. Yes, I know that's the market, but when the order is placed, just a few days, you know, it's crazy that that happens. It really is crazy, and it sucks. So let me know if that's ever happened to you guys, anything like that with the order cancellations. Now, let's go ahead and let's get scanning. Let's get scanning. But before we scan, I want to tell you guys what I paid. I paid $370.05 for this pair. They came, checking the order right now on StockX. They did come, I placed the order on January 19th, and they came in on today, actually, January 29th. Okay, so 10 days. 10 days for this pair. Not bad. Not bad, right? So I'll take it. I'll take it. 10 days. That's solid. Usually orders take around a week to 2 weeks for me on average. Let's go ahead and scan this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the camera, and I'm going to scan the back of the StockX tag. You guys can see there is a code there. So let's go ahead and scan this. And I'm going to see what happens. All right, so I got it to work. We hit search. I got it to work now. I just hit search, and it just takes me to Google with nothing. So when you scan the back of the StockX tag, it doesn't do anything. I thought it did. Maybe eBay's does. eBay probably takes you to the transaction. My guess with StockX is there's probably too many where they don't want to do it, and I understand as a company that's going to take a lot of time for something that they don't really need to necessarily do. So I understand them not doing it. I thought it would scan. If you guys scan the back of the StockX tag, yeah, it doesn't do anything. You guys have a chance to get yourself a pair of Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagines in your size. All you guys need to do is smash that like button. Hitting that like button really does help the channel grow. Thank you guys so much for smashing that like button. While you're down there, please take a second, hit that red button, hit that subscribe button, join the More family. Thank you guys for subscribing and liking. Comment down below. Let me know what size you need. Take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed here to my YouTube channel. Good luck on this giveaway. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, join the More family, and let me know what size you need. Send me that DM on Instagram. Good luck on this Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined giveaway. I want to know what you guys think about StockX. Let me know your favorite recent purchase from StockX. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Get your giveaway entries in and join the More family.